Hello viewers. راځئ چې زده کړو د انګلیش important sentences with Pashto translation. Viewers چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او ویډیو کمپلیټ وګورئ. sentences دي زموږ سره behave yourself. behave yourself. خپل ځان سره چلند وکړئ. be seated please. be seated please. مهرباني وکړئ ناست شئ. very funny. very funny. ډیر زیات خندونکې. she was very happy. she was very happy. هغه ډیره خوشاله وه. attention please. attention please. مهرباني وکړئ پاملرنه وکړئ. it's cool. it's cool. دا ښکلی دی. don't hesitate. مه خفه کیږه. don't hesitate. that was better. that was better. دا ښه وه. دا ښه وه. tell me about yourself. tell me about yourself. د خپل ځان په اړه راته ووایه. that was wrong. that was wrong. دا غلطه وه. don't ask this question. don't ask this question. دا پوښتنه مه کوئ. improve your skill. خپل مهارت ښه کړئ. you are sleeping. you are sleeping. تاسو ویده یې. are you tired today. are you tired today. آیا تاسو نن ستړي یې. it's wonderful. it's wonderful. دا په زړه پورې ده. explain your job. خپله دنده تشریح کړئ. explain your job. Viewers, subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.